What is up, guys? Welcome back to BMW E90 HQ. It's Will coming at you with another video, and guys, you must know that I really like you because I turned off the air conditioner for everybody inside so there wouldn't be a bunch of background noise. So yeah, guys, just you're welcome. Anyway, so that's out of the way. I just recently coated off my adaptive Xenon headlights, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I recorded everything, so if you have this problem, like I got the error code. I'm not sure why I don't seem to have moisture in my headlights, which seems to usually be the culprit, but I get it every now and then. It's really sporadic, and right now I didn't in fact have it on, but I don't like having it come up at just random times. I don't like having to look at it when, you know, normally there'd be the clock there and the temperature instead. So I did a little research, figured out how to do it. You need NCS Expert. You can get that from bimmergeeks.net. It's free to download. Just get the standard tools. You can run it on any computer. It's supposed to run with Windows XP, but I'm running it on Windows 10, no issues. There's a lot of guides out there on how to do it. It's kind of a little bit difficult, not super crazy or anything that you can't figure out. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to just kind of run over what I did right quick, give you like an overview of what I'm doing, and then you'll actually see what I did on the computer in just a second. So I just went in, I took out the code for checking the procedure to run them. You go to Vehicle Operations and you edit it, and it's $524. So I just got that, hit delete, it was gone, hit OK, and then recoded the FRM module and the CAS module with the new coding that has the $524 missing from it, and now I should never get that code again. It shouldn't even check the system. The headlights won't turn when I turn the wheel anymore, so it's just as if I just have regular Xenons with no adaptive whatsoever, and that's personally fine with me because I really don't care about it. So the other thing I just want to say is that I know that Clean WHP, who has a great channel also, by the way, has a lot of good information. He has a 135. He had to have this done recently, and he paid someone $60 to do it. And while that's not like an outrageous amount of money, guys, you can do this at home. If I can do it, you can do it. It's pretty straightforward. There's guides. I'm going to link a PDF in the description that kind of gave me the idea what to do. It's not, the example is not the 524, but it's close enough that you can kind of figure it out. And what I'm about to show here has enough information in it that you'll be able to figure everything out just fine. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I did. Also, the cable that I used will be in the description, so you can check that out if you need to also. Alright guys, so what you just saw on the screen is exactly what I did to take care of this problem, get rid of the adaptive headlights, so now I just have regular Xenon. So if you found this video informative, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.